Shanti Juniors.
Welcome. Hello everyone. Today we all are here to witness and celebrate the revolutionary change in preschool industry or early childhood learning. So fasten your seat belts and get ready for it. In today's world, every child has access to internet through laptops, smartphones and tablets. It's a blessing as well as a headache for parents. So parents have two options. One, take the child away from all the gadgets. Practically not possible. Two, give them devices with available games from Play Store. Now here is the solution. There is a big opportunity to solve these concerns. It will be a very innovative idea to digitize children's education process by making it informative, interactive and fun. The fun element helps the child to stay focused while the interactive element helps the hand-eye coordination to hear, see and work on informative sessions, achieving the ultimate goal of education.
Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very good. Today we have come here all together with a small short of prayer. So shall we all start together with a short prayer? Okay, I want all of you to close your eyes, bow your head and join your hands. So shall we start? Okay. Close your eyes all of you, bow your heads and join your hands. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayam. So, we all are done with the prayer? Okay. So kids, are we ready with our second prayer? Okay, we'll start with our second prayer. And it is what you know? Tell me, what is it? Okay, it is God's love. So you all know God's love, right? Okay, you all will join with me for God's love? Okay, chalo, I'm going to start. Ready? Okay. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Hi friends, good morning. Okay, so why we all are here today? Yes, we are going to talk about Corona. You know what is Corona? What is it? Okay, Corona is a disease which is making us everywhere sick. We cannot go out, we cannot have junk foods outside, we cannot play with our friends. Everywhere we are at home all time, right? We cannot even come to school to study, right? You're missing your teachers, right? Yes. So, in this situation, Corona, what should we do? Okay, I'll ask you, what we'll do when we go out? Tell me. Exactly. We'll wear a mask. What is it? Mask. And how we are going to put it? It is like this, simply? No. We have to cover our nose, our mouth. Why? So that we are not infected with Corona, we have to wear like this. And we have to travel like this. Always remember, we have to cover our nose, our mouth, so that we are not infected with coronavirus. Okay? And what is the other step we are going to take? Tell me. What is the other step we always take? Before going to play, before eating food, without touching anything, what we are doing? Yes. You are always hand sanitizing. And how do we sanitize our hand? Is it simply opening the bottle and putting like this and doing like this? Over? No, right? We have to put like this. Rub our hands. Rub each and every finger very nicely like this. So that we are not infected with corona, right? Be safe, be healthy, be happy always. Staying at home is always the best option. And I want to know one thing. You are having your proper meals, what your mama prepares for you. Your mama will be preparing very nice food these days, right? You are eating healthy food. And what does healthy food mean? Tell me any 5 healthy foods. Okay, let me tell you. It is egg, milk, green healthy vegetables, fruits, and what is it? Juices. Have healthy food. You should be having enough strength to fight corona. We have to fight against corona. We have to come back to school, right? So how will we come back to school? Once we fight with corona, we'll be very healthy, right? We have to eat healthy food. Take proper bath daily. Okay? Proper bath. You have to change your clothes. Be tidy. Be clean. Everyday bath. Everyday taking good food. Drink plenty of water to fight against corona. Do not go outside. Play inside your home. Stay with your parents. Play inside with your parents, with your sister, with your friends. Don't go outside. And always be happy. Keep learning things like ABCD, numerals, rhymes, stories. You know, you watch TV, right? Okay, in TV we can see so many rhymes. Yeah, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. So many things are there. Okay, so you have to keep yourself very safe at home. Okay, and be healthy. And the very next thing is, when we see our elders, what do? Do we shake hands? No, don't shake hands. Always say namaste, so that we are not infected with coronavirus. Okay, don't touch anything which is not good, like any tables, any stairs, anything outside the house. Don't touch anything. Always be safe, always be happy. So until then, you have to be very healthy. Stay home, stay happy. Till then, next class. Bye bye. See you all. Hello kids, good morning. Today we are here doing a beautiful yoga. We all enjoy doing yoga, right? Okay, today's yoga posture is called the tree pose. You know what is a tree pose? Okay, I'll show you. This is the tree pose. So let's start doing it, right? So I want everyone to join with me in this. Okay? So just follow me. How am I doing? Okay. Starting with the left shoulder. Taking your left toe to your right inner thigh. Joining your hands. Taking above your head. Doing the same with the right foot. Take your right toe to your left inner thigh. Join your hands. Take above your head. Hello kids, today we are going to do a little bit of art and craft. So are we all ready for that? So let's get started. For that we need an A4 size sheet white paper, a potato, a baby potato, fork, green color, a little bit of Fevicol, yellow color. And for that, we'll take the potato, dip into yellow color, punch it over the sheet. Again, you can dip it into yellow color, leave a little bit space and dab it over the sheet. Repeat the same process. Dip it into yellow color, dab it on the sheet. With the same thing, we can make a sun as well. A half sun, will dab it over the sheet. Now, we are going to take the baby potato, dab it over this and makes its head. Again do the same, dab it in yellow color, make a head. Now this gives a shape of a cheek. You know what is cheek? Yeah, that is what. Cheek is the baby of hen. Now, we are going to make grass with this green color. Take a fork, dip into green color and make like this. Again dip it, make grasses. You have to punch the fork on the white sheet. See, you can see it's all green, right? These are green grasses. Now we have to wait for the color to be dry so that we can make legs for the cheeks. Now the green grass which we have done, it's already dry. So we can start with the rays of the sun. So for that we need a small strip, yellow color like this. I will show you. You have to cut strips like this. Like this. See. And after that you have to paste all the strips as the rays of the sun. See. One by one you have to paste. Apply the Fevicol. Paste it. Apply. Paste. Apply. Paste. So, we are done with the rays of the sun. Now, taking a marker, you have to take a black marker, and now what we'll do? We'll make the eyes of the cheeks. See? Very nice, right? Yes. Now you can see the eyes of the cheeks? Yes. You have to do like that. Now what is there remaining? Yes. Now we have to do the beaks. How do we do the beaks? Okay, I'll tell you. Take a paper, yellow color. Cut it into triangular shape like this. You can see triangular shape. Apply a little bit of Fevicol and paste it like this. Can you see? Yeah, the cheeks are ready now, right? Again, cut it. Apply the Fevicol and do the same like this. Yes, see, it's looking beautiful, right? Yes, again the same. Apply a little Fevicol and paste it over here. So can you see the cheeks are ready? Yes. Now what we'll do, we'll make the legs. Step is, what is missing here? Now we have to draw cheeks, legs. Yes. Now for that we are going to take a black marker. A sketch pen will also do, okay? A black sketch pen. Here I am taking the marker. I am going to draw the legs for the cheeks. Yes. See? Can you see the legs? Yes. These are cheeks, legs. So here we are completed with our beautiful craft. I hope all of our kids enjoyed it, right? Yes, all of you enjoyed. I know. Okay. Now you have to do this at your home. Tell your mama and papa to help you out in doing this beautiful craft. Write your name here on the white sheet. Take a white sheet. Do like this. Write your name and send it to us. Okay? Hope you all enjoyed. Until we meet next. All of you take care. Bye-bye.